On my way to work. Walking into the bus stop right now. I'm tired too. I'm just on extra days. That's what I've been doing. I'm just extra days, so when I get paid every night too. Very nice. And I'll get home. I'll get off at 5 o'clock in the morning. Start at 5 or 4:50. Always talking about whatever department I'm working in. All depends. This could be like a long way, like a 30-minute walk up to the bus stop. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. I gotta do what I gotta do. I still want to work today. I'm gonna try to work 5 days this week and try. If they said I gotta come home today, I just go home. I can't do nothing about it. It's regular, with my regular shift. Not a big deal. If they send me home, not a big deal at all. Not one at all. I'm exhausted. I kind of started good last night, and at the beginning I didn't. I was recording videos last night. I was like, get me in first, get them done over, so I don't have to worry doing them. Because like I said, go get away from the house. I just enjoy the day. It was raining tonight. It was a big day, but it hadn't rained. It rained last night too, but it rained a little bit today. But not much at all. It's supposed to be raining right now in a way, but I guess it's passed over us. Exhausted. I'm real exhausted. But I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta work. That's all I can do. And I'm looking away from the house, work helped me think about things at work that I could do or want to do. I'm preparing things while I'm at work, and I like to fix that. Sit down and think about it. Make sure I grab me a charger. I do, I got one right here. Like a charger. I don't want to leave it at home. I don't want it to get lost. If I leave it at home, I won't be able to find it. I want to make sure I take it with me when I'm going on, but you keep it plugged to the wall. Every time I plug one charger to the wall. As you know, I have bought a brand new charger. Don't even know where it's at. So, I'm taking it with me. I bought a brand new charger a while ago. Don't even know where it's at. So I'm taking it with me. And I got a distinct color, so I can say it's theirs. You know, people always say, oh, this is my charger. I got a distinct color, a different kind of charger. I got a red cord. Everybody else got a black cord or a white cord. I got a red one, so I just know it's mine. You know, I can say it's theirs. I have to do that there because I got a bunch of other block piece that you close to the wall. I bought a brand new one. Somebody else tried to say it's there. I said, okay, don't worry about it. I'll just buy a new one. Really, I got a whole block piece. I really didn't have any of it, you know. That's why I got something different. You know, I can type people saying something was there, but it wasn't there, it was actually mine. They're trying to say it's theirs. And that's why I got a code. Nobody can say it's theirs. The White House will have a red charge. I only got a red. I guess I can just charge it close. That's why I would try to charge it close to me. So if I need to charge more, I gotta charge. Instead of waiting for somebody else's charge, I have my own. I have my own charge. I can get to work with me. I don't have to worry about. Oh, it's just a green charge at the house. I'm showing you that one. And for his cell phone, I got the red one. I guess I'm not leaving it out. It'll disappear, I ain't gonna see it no more. I don't see it no more. So, I'm going to just buy chargers. I'm going to do that. I'm going to buy a different distinct color. I ain't going to just get no black one, no white one. I'm going to find maybe a green one, or a blue one, or a purple one. I'm trying to do what I'm saying. My charger is their charger. You know how irritating that is? This was kind of a long video because I had a long walk. My phone might die by the time I get there. I'm not there. My phone battery don't last that long. I took me a little tiny nap before I go to work. When I get the bus stop, I'm going to go to the store and we'll turn it off. The camera off. I'm going to record and watch that. That's why I go see music on my way to work. My headphones too. I bought them. I bought my own headphones, chargers. I buy them. I don't have to ask nobody for no money anymore. I don't have to ask nobody to buy anything. When I had a job, I didn't have a job, I had to. But now, I don't have to ask nobody for nothing. I get it myself. That's a good feeling too. A very good feeling that I could do things. I could buy some of my own and just ask nobody about nothing at all. If it was, like I said, I used to ask buy a pop, right? Now, if you buy me a pop, you buy me a pop. I don't ask you about a pop. I get pop when I get red. Even if I don't buy one, just means I don't want one. I mean, I don't get pop anymore. I can't afford it. Just I don't want to get it right now. like 10 hours. You now go get okay, to the store. Yeah, probably die before I can get to the store. This will be a long time. It'll be a long video. I'm gonna upload it when I get home. Tomorrow I'll upload. This video will be up tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. It'll be up. By the time I get home, I'll upload it and, you know, upload the video. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm not gonna keep everything in there. Nobody really watch my videos anyway, so. Nobody really knows I make videos. I don't tell nobody anymore because when that happens, I get in trouble. People want to say I'm doing this on the video. I'm this, I'm that. I'm devil. I wasn't the devil. I think I'm the devil. I don't take care of my kids. People be saying stuff like that. All I want to do is YouTube, so I don't tell nobody really about it. Not people at work don't even know. Nobody knows. If they happen to come across my channel, then they know. If not, I'm not worried about it. I used to tell people I do YouTube a whole lot. I learned my lesson. I don't care if you know or not know. I'm not going to try to get people to watch my videos that way. If you come across my videos and like it, okay. You don't? Okay. I don't mind, you know. And since I'm not going to have service on it, I downloaded text now, so I can call people when they got internet. Most times I will call somebody when I'm home. Or if you call me, you don't get no message. You get no answer or anything. If you text me an answer, I'm probably at work. I work on the internet. When I get home, I have internet. So, you know. I don't mind. If people know, they know. If they don't know, they don't. It ain't a big deal for me. It used to be a big deal. I wanted people to subscribe to me and everything. But I learned how much trouble it is, and, you know. So like I said, if people want to subscribe, just subscribe. I'm not really saying about my channel. Nobody work with nobody channel. Nobody work about life or nothing outside work. Nobody knows about it. Like I said, this, even at work, they don't know nothing about me, really. They know I got kids. That's it. Yeah, I'm not married. Yeah, nothing else. Because I don't want to know. If they, you know, I want them to know. I don't want them to know. If they like I said, they find my YouTube channel and they say, oh, you're married. I didn't know that. I see your YouTube channel. Then, you know, I said, yeah, I'm married. Blah, 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 blah. But otherwise, I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it at all. It's not a big deal. Like I said, basically everybody don't know my name. Nobody know my name. Nobody at work knows my name. It's weird. I know a lot of other people's names, but they don't know my name. That's what they call me. They call me Hey You, or Guy Over There, or Guy Standing Right There, and plenty other names. Or Unc. They call me Unc, or OG. See, a lot of people don't know my name. They just call me different names. Nobody never asked me my name. If they asked me, I didn't even know my name, but nobody asked me. I don't care if they call me other names, different names. It don't bother me. Because they don't know my name. I don't get mad about it, you know. And I some people get mad when you call them by a different name or their uncle or, you know. Some people get mad about that, but ain't a big deal. Not a big deal at all.
I just want to do this. I need the money. I want to get rid of this job.
I'm on the bus stop. The phone seems to be doing good. It still seems to be doing real good. And once I get to the store, I'm gonna end it. I'll be up for, you know, for today. My whole video for today. One long video. I might just do this for every day. Just talk and walk and walk and talk. Talk and walk. And maybe videos when I get home and stuff like that. But this is like the overnight video. This is the only video I make for you right now. Tomorrow I'll make some more videos. This will be the last one for the day because I'm gonna relax on the bus and listen to music on my way to work. It's a cloudy. I like these days, the cloudy days. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. I hope the morning not too cold, because last time I went to work, I went to work, it was hot. It was really, really warm, but I got home, it was really cold. I had dang, I said, well, I got my jacket. But it's okay, I'll make it. Ain't really shooting that cold. It's very cold out here. Man, a lot of videos to make tonight, tomorrow. I'll make some more videos. I'll probably do the same thing, make videos throughout the day. And one long video before I go to work. I took right off the charger as soon as I was going out the door. I keep the full charge, instead take off charger and walk around. And then I came in the door, took the charger off the charger and right out the door. I used to hold that charge. That's all I wanted to do, is hold the charge. My phone battery is really, really bad. Really, really bad. You know, like I said, from listening to music from here, from walking 30 minutes and going to work for 30 minutes, and that's about an hour without the screen being on. The screen be asleep. So, like I said, I'm going to just do this and listen to music the rest of the way. It should take no time for me to get the bus and go to work. I don't know if I can probably watch that long video. It's probably too long for everybody to watch. So I add in everything. It's just me talking about random stuff about my mind and how I feel about things. I'd be surprised I'll go to work and somebody say, "Yeah, I know you from YouTube. You make YouTube videos." I'd be very surprised if somebody actually watch my video, because according to my the thing, I can't think of the name of it. It said it's a lot of people in Michigan watch my videos. Yeah. It must be that big. Nobody knows me. But it's okay. Well, I guess I'll get some music when I go to work. When I get to work, I'll probably charge it. If I have time, I'll probably charge it till the time we go back to work. start work, I keep my phone off and try to go on my break. And then probably listen to more music in my breaks. But I have to see. I have to see what I do. Because I don't know exactly really. Like I said, once I get up to the store, I'm going to turn the phone off. I'm going to shut it off. I save the battery after I get on the bus. That's the music on the bus. And by the time I get to the job, by the time I get on the bus, I'll have enough probably last to going to my job. It all depends. I don't know. I have to wait and see. I don't mention the name of my job because it's not important that people know that. Everybody just should know I do YouTube. Not where I work at. And like I said, lately nobody has really watched my videos. Nobody really. I only get like 6 views, 5 views on the video what it is. And I only get 100 and nothing for my videos. Like I said, I understand because I'm starting over. A lot of people don't know I'm in a different channel. A lot of people don't know. They think I'm going good. So that's why if people know my Twitter and stuff, I don't mention this channel or Facebook. I don't mention this channel. And I don't mention. When I'm doing YouTube, I don't mention what my Facebook is or what my Twitter is. Because certain videos, I want them to, I won't get my channel shut down by that person. Yeah, like they did last time. Because I said it was inappropriate because like snoring. A lot of people do it. That's why I get my channel shut down. They did. But I got another channel right here. I always have a backup plan. I always have a backup plan. One thing I always have it backed up. And like I said, snoring videos, I can put on Twitter or Facebook. Or my Instagram. So the storm video may return. I'm thinking about having it return. So I've been walking and talking for 24 minutes and 52 seconds. See, like I said, about 30 minutes walking. I'm just going to a bus stop too. Oh, my shit. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I really am. I'm gonna keep saying that. I can feel it. I know I'm gonna get to work on the day why I can't work. But now I get through the day and I got a paycheck now. I got a paycheck waiting for this day. Come home. Probably get night no sleep. I gotta get up. I gotta take my son to school, so I'm gonna get no sleep tomorrow. I get as much sleep as I can. Whenever I find any holes in the day to sleep, any parts of tomorrow to get some sleep, it's quiet, everybody's going or something, I'll take it and get some sleep. I might do this every week. Try to work 5 days. Like every other week, with 4, then 5, and 4, and 5. Instead of 3 and 4, I'm gonna do it 4 and 5. But like I said, if they don't need me, don't need work today, I'll come back home. No big deal. At least I tried. I showed up. I did show up. That's the job. I know they probably called me to come in anyway. They called me to come in a lot. A whole lot. I like my job because I can work anytime I want to. Basically, if you know what I mean, I could miss 2 weeks and still have a job. But I'm calling in, I still have a job. You know, that's what I like about this job. I'm gonna keep this job for a while. I'm gonna be missing some more days and stuff like that. But you know, do what I need to. I need to do it. At least I know I have a job. And I'll see you later.